Hey, did you know that the most powerful factor in your weight loss journey does not come from eating less and exercising more? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing about meal replacements, slimming supplements, counting calories, vigorous exercise, and being on a diet. Well, I used to do all of those things in the past, but there's something even more powerful than any of those, and I will share these secrets with you today that's going to revolutionize the way you go on weight loss journey and how you think about slimming down. Hi, my name is Sulin and I was a burnt out medical doctor by profession. Now I help food lovers just like you melt belly fats like melting butter without the crazy yo-yo effect. So 22 months ago, when the whole world shut down, most of us had to work from home. So as a result of that, my weight increased 8 kgs within the 7 months of lockdown here in Singapore. So I knew that something had to be done. So me and my husband Kotika, we decided to start our healthy living journey, eating clean, exercising more, cutting down on fried foods and supper, and also practice intermittent fasting. So during my first 90 days, I lost a total of 5.1 kg of body weight, 4.5 kg of body fats, which is equivalent to 18 slabs of butter, and my body became younger 7 years. 6 months ago, my husband Kotika and I actually bumped into a new way of slimming down, and we actually only intended to try out for ourselves. But because both of us had such fantastic results, I could see my abs without doing crazy workouts. He could see his near six-pack abs without vigorous gym workouts. So it became our mission to share with our own team members about this game-changing weight loss lifestyle. So currently, my total body weight loss is nearly 10 kg. My body fats lost nearly 6 kg, and my body aged younger 12 years. So my pants size also down one size. I could fit into my leggings that I bought 6 years ago but never had a chance to wear. And my current weight is the weight that I was 13 years ago. So, but the best part is my thighs. My thigh circumference shrunk with ease through this new way of slimming down without vigorous leg exercises.
My name is Julie. Before the boot camp, I'm actually very skeptical because I was told that I have to fast without food for 7 days, and I've never fasted in my life. So, but during the boot camp, I managed to fast. Now it's my 4th day, and at first I was worried that I might faint or feel uncomfortable because of my age and my weight. I thought I cannot handle, but it's been good so far. And even in the evenings when we go for a walk, I thought I have no energy, but there's no problem in walking even for more than 1 hour. So this is good for me. Thank you.
Hi， 大家好，我是 Henry。在没有参加这个bootcamp 的时候，我是比较胖一点比较肥，所以我是想经过这个bootcamp看能不能减肥。在参加的时候，我有害怕说，我能不能够顶住这7天不要吃饭，所以到现在还是可以。第5天了，我还是可以不吃饭，所以不吃东西不是吃饭，不吃东西我还是可以顶住。在过程中，我已经瘦了好几kg了，我的 visceral fat 也下了满两个点，所以要是我可以，我看你们也可以，谢谢。
Hello， 大家好，我叫美玲。当我听到这个 bootcamp 的时候呢，我很怕，我很紧张，因为我已经有胃痛很多年，几十年。那现在7天不吃东西，我肯定不可能的事情。我只要慢吃、进食，我就胃痛就会来。但是我是听过了第一批的学员，他们都经历了这7天的断食，然后他们每个都精力充沛，然后给到我很大的信心，然后我就参加了，我就是第2批的。我参加了之后呢，我真的很惊讶，就是我的胃没痛， 我可以忍受这7天。再来呢，就是呢，我在短短的这7天内呢，我的身体年龄竟然比我实际年龄年轻了10多年。谢谢。
I'm Carol. Before I meet my mentor, I have a blood issue since 5 years ago. And early last year, my blood reading even go up to almost 200. And after taking Kiani for 2 months, my blood slowly go down to 156. And on the 16th of November, my mentor teach me how to take healthy food and take 2 or 3 sets of Kiani a day. And 1 week before the Christmas, more than a week before the Christmas, I joined the boot camp, and I only do fasting for 6 days because of the Christmas. So on the second day, my blood reading go to 121 and 60 something, and I was so happy, and I started not to take any medication until now. Today is the 1st of January 2021, and I don't take any medication, and my blood stay normal until now. And one good thing is that I have cut down 6 kilo of my weight, and I feel so healthy. And also, I don't have any pains in my body anymore, and my joint pain also no more. And I would like to recommend my friend to our body repair boot.
Hello， 我是维尼。开始这个 bootcamp 的时候，我也觉得说，怎么可能7天不要吃东西啊？我一天有时候吃4餐，有时候3餐，所以完全不吃东西，哇，会觉得很辛苦。不过经过这5天里面，我觉得还好。就是说不会说很饿，你不要去想它，它就不会饿。诱惑还是有，不过我们自己要控制。然后在这5天之内，我已经瘦了3.6公斤，所以还要继续加油，多2天。Yes， 谢谢。
你瘦了多久啊？多少
16公斤
多久
，16 kg。
？Oh my goodness！
那是from keto 的时候
4 months。
4 months. Oh my goodness. So I know what you're thinking. Is this just another slimming program that I have failed millions of times in the past? Well, the tricky thing is that for an effortless weight loss, you need to know the right concept, which consists of the right knowledge, the right exercise, the right diet, which is the right real food that you have to take, and the right nutrition, and also the right community. So we have actually created this 7 days body repair bootcamp. What makes this so different is that this is not a milkshake approach, not the exercise approach, not the counting calories approach, and not the popping pills approach. So what this is going to do is it will help you reset your hormones, repair the damages in your body that has been done over the years, restore all the bodily functions, and also help reset your body to its optimized state. And I, as a wellness advocate and having a passion in weight loss, I've been doing this for the past 10 to 13 years, me myself going through the weight loss and people coming to me asking for weight loss tips. So we have an overview which we call the Melt Belly Fat Masterclass. If you would like to know more and discuss more, it comes with a complimentary short consultation, and also you can get to know your current body status via doing a body analysis for you. You can always reach out to me. I'm always here to help, and I can't wait to tell you about all the amazing results that we've gotten so far from people just like you who are struggling with their weight and hormonal imbalances. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you and seeing you on the inside. So have a great day. Take care. Bye.